I want somebody to set them free from these bad dreams. So I got the Cash King. I didn't win, but I got the 734. Like I was saying, that's on the wall, 734. That's on the red locker here, 734. That's significant. And then this chicken winner dinner. Look at 24. No win. It's a horse, but 114, 24, 24. 24. 325s. I will wait for you. So 666. Warning. Bad dreams. So someone could be having bad dreams. Knowing that someone's waiting for them or something like that. Let it go. Try to let it go. Someone try to let it go. Horses. Someone could be the year of a horse or something. Fine. Yeah. Those demons inside, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.